What's up, boys?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not new, if you're new, welcome. Trying to put as much content as I can together, working in my garage, basically. It's Todd Father Garage. Yeah, we're working on our drift car, which you've probably seen. That's the last few videos if you checked out the channel at all. I really appreciate that. Like and subscribe, comment with any feedback you have for the videos, the content, the welding, you know, whatever. So yeah, so what I'm working on is the dash bar in this video, and I think the last video would have been the door bars and the door braces. I finally got those finished. That took me a little while just because I had life stuff going on, but I hope to get back to getting some content out on a consistent basis. Keep working on the car. I wanted to be driving the car by this summer, so we're working on that. I was able to get some other pieces that we need, like a fuel cell. I got to get fuel lines yet, and some other stuff. So let's get into this. I've measured it a couple times. I'm going to start small, cut small, you know, and do relief cuts if that I need, as far as the notching goes on this tube. It's basically just a straight bar. So it's a leftover piece that I have of material, and I think it'll work. I think it's going to be just long enough to use in the dash for the car. You know, I figure if I notch these ends and it doesn't work, I've only killed maybe half an inch to an inch of material. So I'm going to try to use this piece because then I won't have any waste, and I can move to my other stock and you know, use that for other stuff. So hoping this works. Worst case, it's going to kill me an inch of material because I'll just recut the ends and use the piece somewhere else. But I think it'll work. I hope it'll work. So let's keep going. Alright, we finished mounting the dash bar and we welded it in, and I was even able to get some paint on it. I tried to take some video of the welding. It just was not coming together right, like the camera, and just long story short, got it finished up. Here's the end product. I'll show you right now. So that's going to conclude this video. It's probably a quick video for that dash install, but I also want to shout out a product. I like to try to shout out quality products that I use throughout my everyday life, or this build, the drift build. You've probably heard me on a couple of videos now and seen that I'm using Steel It gray paint for the interior of the car. It just looks really clean. Technically, Steel It only offers two colors, black and gray. I'm doing all black, or gray, I'm sorry, on the roll cage, the interior. Basically, anytime you'd open the car door, I think I'm going to do the engine bay the same color, and probably the rear trunk. And then I'll do the Steel It black paint on like the diff, the rear subframe, some parts that I want to just easily be able to differentiate from the gray. If it's, you know, all one color, it's kind of hard to look at quickly and see. It would be cool if Steel It come out with other colors, and I'm sure they will down the road, but this stuff is pretty awesome. It's kind of expensive. I think it's like 40 bucks a can of this, but we do sell it at SRI Performance. If you're near the Charlotte Concord area there, well, if you're from there, you probably already know about SRI Performance, but They do stock it, they sell it, they're good people. So check it out. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.